Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about prolonged powder supplement review. So this is very important because maybe many of them are claiming that this product enhances testosterone level and improves sexual performance, but in reality it doesn't happen. Prolonged powder is marketed as a natural supplement aimed at boosting confidence, right? And some studies suggest that it may increase testosterone levels, but evidence supporting it effective for performance enhancement is limited. And the very important thing is that customer review are mixed. So when I just go to the here Amazon, I was not able to find any reviews. I don't know why, because Amazon is very popular. And I tried to go to a different website, but I was not able to find this product and as well as the review. And here, just read this health fraud product database from FDA. That is official website here. And this FDA has not approved prolonged powder, which is a very big red flag, right? And there are bodies concerned about similar products in the market. The FDA maintain a database of health fraud products, which include supplement that are misbranded or contain undeclared ingredients. While prolonged powder is not specifically listed, right, the general landscape of male enhancement supplement has seen numerous recalls and warning for containing undeclared substance like sildenafil, which poses serious health risk. So this is very important because if you're still, if you still want to buy a product which FDA didn't approve, then it's completely your own risk. We will not advise you to buy this product. You can just go any good product, research about that, and you can just buy another one. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.